Welcome to another Trail Haunter video. It is officially, I guess, day 2 of doing the build. We're just spraying Haunter down, making sure he is nice and clean, so that way when we get underneath him, we're not gonna be getting all kinds of dirt and stuff in our faces. And then we're gonna pull him into the garage here, and we're gonna start tearing him apart. We've got all of the inner fenders and outer fenders off. I'm leaving the outer fenders on the front because I don't have something to replace it and they have the turn signal. So I'm gonna keep those on just for safety reasons for now, but I'm eventually gonna do a delete on those. So we've got those on, inner fenders off. TJ's under here. What are you working on, TJ?
Just remove the rear drive line so we can take the gas tank down. So now I've got to disconnect all the hoses and anything that's connected to it, because we want to take this down and out before we get the Jeep elevated, because right now a jack would actually bring this down so we don't have to lift it on our own. So this thing looks like a fat pig.
You heard him, a fat pig. Mud.
Come out.
Yummy.
Just get your trench coat and try a little faster. You know that night was too long and the mornings are too blurry. 'Cause when they'll come for you, a new disaster.
All right, guys, we're taking a break because look what just got here. Yes!
You want to flip them over in front of you.
Tires are here. Those are some bad boys.
42s.
42s. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. All right.
Yeah.
There's a story behind these tires. A big story behind these tires. We didn't think they were going to come until like next week. And
Yes, very much so.
Yeah, so Chris actually brought me a set of backup tires. I'll show you them over here. These are the 38 Mickey Thompsons that he brought for me. Actually, Lisa, she drove them all the way from Washington just in case. And so it's kind of a miracle that these tires are here. TJ's already like, let me see these bad boys. These are 42-inch Milestar Patagonias MTO2s, and I'm so stoked. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Bad idea.
That's a whole lot of rubber. If you go in there and cut, I can't get you out. You're staying there for the day. You got this.
I'm not going in. I'll just sit on them like this.
The Leaning Tower of Patagonia.
I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. Look how big, look how massive these things are. I'm gonna put one next to the 37 right here so we can see how big it is. Holy crap. 37s, 42s. Dang, bro. Okay, back to work. Back to work.
Like an anthill in here.
There's actually ants building stuff. This is probably from mudding, honestly.
Like how it is.
Last time I went mudding, I cracked my radiator. And so, oh my gosh. Look how massive these are. Don't let it get in your eyes.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna have to grab some safety glasses.
Something's dripping on you.
Yeah.
Is it
exactly.
oil or gas?
Fuel. So.
TJ's just about had it with this gas tank. What do you want, a rag?
I'm trying to think if
Don't get it in your eyes.
I'll go grab my.
So what he's been dealing with is all of these lines are caked in mud. And so he hasn't been able to see what he's been doing. So we've just kind of been dropping it slowly and slowly. And he's been able to like clear things away so he can see what he's doing under here. But we've almost got it, or TJ's almost got it out. I've been over here working on the steering. We're gonna leave the tie rod attached so that way it's just easier when we pull the axles. Our pile over here is getting a little bit bigger though. All of our stockpile of junk is getting bigger. Sheesh!
Got dirt.
Got dirt. Right? Dang, bro.
It's all gone too.
This thing's a beast. I had no idea.
Well, that's why they
that
say
it was so big.
They call it the lean, the gas tank lean.
Yeah.
So usually JK's jails lean to one side because of the gas tank. It's so huge. They make one that goes where the exhaust is at in the rear, so you don't have that problem. But
all of this was on top of that.
there. Surgically removed all the dirt around it.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah, so yeah, like the clips wouldn't come off because there's dirt in here.
Yeah.
So I blew it out, cleaned it out as best we could, and like I said, I only aced 2 clips out of the several we did, but we'll clean this all up,
Yeah.
make it look all nice and pretty, get the shop vac out.
Pretty gas tank.
All right.
All right, now it's cleanup time. And then we're gonna jack it up.
Arriba.
Arriba. Pull the axles. Let's go. Time to drop the rear axle. This is exciting. This is exciting.
All right, we should be able to get those out.
Woo!
There you go.
One axle. little drop. All right, one rear Dana 35. And yes, it's a Dana 35. Someone told me that Trail Hunter was cringy because I thought there wasn't a Dana 35 in the rear, but actually there is a Dana 35 in the rear of the new, I'm out of breath, out of the new JLs. They put the Dana 35 in, and I will insert right here from the Dana website that says the JLs come with a Dana 35 in the rear. So whoever told me that, you're wrong. Yeah. 30 in the front, 35 in the rear. All right, so now TJ is gonna be working on getting all this off so we can help him drop the front axle. I'm inside doing some work for Blue Ribbon Coalition right now. And we honestly only have one set of tools, so TJ, it's kind of a one-man show right now. Yeah, so he's been pulling everything off so we can get the rear one dropped and now the front one. So it's looking good. It's floating, that's what it's doing. It's also Friday the 13th, and Friday the 13th in all its glory, things have been going wrong.
Yeah.